Hi everyone, welcome to SDT Ultrasound. We are just finishing off an incredible week of training here at our HQ in Brussels. Our partners have been immersed in our Level 1 LUBExpert Implementation Masterclass and Ultrasound Power User programs. Let's hear what they have to say.
The first thing that I learned about the ultrasound technology that really the ultrasound changed the future. Because if you follow only the manuals, really you cannot know what has happened inside the bearing. Also, it will be really a big transformation from using the old degrees device to the new technology. After using the new technology, everyone will see how much they will reduce the repeated problem and reduce also the workload in their facilities.
This week has been very exciting, and it has been a pleasure to listen to Harris and being helped by the SDT family for a full week. It has been a firework of knowledge and engagement. For the industry in Norway, I think the LUBExpert and the ultrasound measurements for lubrication will bring new possibilities for better maintenance on the general in the Norwegian industry.
People think differently in a field, because you have to tell the engineer different thing than you have to tell the management. So that big mindset is the one big thing. Yeah, this course helped me to understand better what the customer needs actually, because the customer needs are different than what I maybe think first. After this course, I can provide much help to customers, and I think we did a great success together when I'm back to home.
The biggest challenge for my customers when it comes to lubrication is that many just lubricate when they think they need it. So with this implementation of LUBExpert and done this training, I clearly see that this should be a very good tool for a lot of industries and make them build a procedure how they will do their lubing on their machines and equipment. I think I'm better suited now when I get home, and with the support from SDT also, I think we'll do a fantastic job and help the customer the best way.
With ultrasound, we will definitely get even faster to recognize where is the problem, and with entire experience that we have, how to sort this problem for entire industries in the world. This will be the starting point that will change lubrication in the industry in Macedonia.
This methodology brings data and helps to communicate with each people at different level involved in lubrication. Informations and mindset learned in this week of intensive training make me choose the right strategy to help and support and expertise our local customer.
So we just wrapped up a week of the partner training with our partners from several countries. All our trainings have the same structure, and that is answering to three basic questions: why, what, and how. While what and how is talking about technology, what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. The technology is not always answer to everything. The technology is not always absolutely necessary, unless there is a clear answer to question why it's needed. And we at SDT, we look at the success when our partners and users are using the technology as the part of their body. They don't even think that they are using it. It's the way we do things.